viewers, myself Merina Hansepi brings you today's news updates. MSA Richard Togby calls for preserving and promoting culture, also announced to construct an auditorium hall at Dolamara, which will come up before the 29th ZKYF next year. Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Forest Development Board Chairman Richard Tokbi, who attended the 28th Karbi Zonal Youth Festival of Duarbaguri Kasias Zone at Dolamara as the chief guest on Monday, has called for preserving and promoting the Karbi culture, stating that culture is the identity of any race and without it, a race will lose its identity. Togbi asserted that it is the responsibility of every Karbi, respective of religion and political parties, to keep alive the Karbi traditions and culture and to transmit them to our progenitors. On the occasions, he also expressed gratitude to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang and also showered him praises for initiating several development works at Duarbaguri Cultural Center for promoting culture as per his request. The cultural hall and the art gallery that is the testimony of accomplishment of the promises made by CEM during the 27th edition of the event in 2009. The MAC also announced to construct an auditorium hall at Dolamara, which will come up before the 29th ZKYF next year. He informed the public that CEM has already given the note for the proposal. VDC Chairman Sir Koi Rongpar, ex-MAC Roton Ingti, renowned singer Daniel Ingti, social activist businessman Rensing Rongpar also attended the event. The event witnesses a huge gathering. While Tusker attacked one person in Keroni, West Karbi Anglong on Monday, seriously injuring him.
While Tusker attacked one person in West Karbi Anglong, a man was attacked by a wild tusker in Keroni, West Karbi Anglong on Monday, seriously injuring him. The victim has been identified as Hukuningti of the Ramuk, West Karbi Anglong. Fortunately, local residents along with the personnel of Keroni Forest Protections Range were able to rescue the victim. He was immediately taken to Keroni Primary Health Center for medical attention. It's not the first instance of human-animal conflict in the area. Rampant human encroachment of forest land has led to frequent human-animal conflict, and if humans do not cease encroachment of forest land, similar incidents will continue to occur in the future.
The 28th Zonal Karbi Youth Festival was yesterday organized by Sangtimili Kasias Zone at Sangtimili, Hawarkehat. The 28th Zonal Karbi Youth Festival was yesterday organized by Sangtimili Kasias Zone at Sangtimili, Hawarkehat. The program was started from 7:30 morning. The hosting of flag was done by the Kasias President Ruhin Terang and the homage ritual led by the ex-President Joysing Teron. During the event, EM Khonsing Rongpi, VDC Chairman Dhorom Kro, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Chairman Ritesh Inghi and KCS Central Committee members also attended the event. Also, the invited renowned singer Akansa Inghipi and Sarthe Rongpi were also present in the event and also gives a numbers and the event witnessed with a huge number. The 6th Interclub Football League began on Monday, where Rongkhelan FC defeated Cleared-up FC 5-1 in the first match of the league. The 6th Interclub Football League in memory of late Borsing Ingti kicked off yesterday at Balipathar Sports Association Playground in the presence of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Jagat Singh Ingti, organized by Balipathar Sports Association. The commencing match ceremony was attended by VDC Chairman Riso Singnar, UPLA Home Secretary Binod Tokbi, ex-VDC Chairman Silarson Rongpi, CASA authority and dignitaries besides EM Jagat Singh Ingti. The inaugural match was played in between Cleared-up FC and Rongkhelan FC, where Cleared-up FC beat Rongkhelan FC by scoring 5-1 goal to Rongkhelan FC. CM Terang was awarded as the best player of the match by Hunaram Singnar in the post-match award ceremony. Dear viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.